Hi, I'm Tanya from TanyaHomeInspo.
It's National Recycle Week, so let's not only recycle plastic, but try to reduce our water usage too with these devices.
This is the Swivel tap device. Firstly, unscrew the spout end and remove the washer. It comes with a converter ring which fits straight onto your tap. And screw the swivel top onto your tap. You can alternate the water flow between aerated and shower by pushing and pulling. This is the shower saver device. Start by unscrewing your shower hose from the water outlet, not the shower head. Then, holding the base of the shower saver, screw on the shower hose. Third step, leaving the two black washers in place, screw the bottom of the shower saver onto the water outlet. Next, check if there's a large gap over 2 mm between the water outlet and the shower saver. If there is, remove the washer. Finally, screw the shower hose back into the water outlet. This will regulate the flow of hot water from your shower to just 8 litres per minute. Order your free devices and check your water usage by taking the My Water Footprint quiz.